Hi, my name is Samuel Dennison. I'm your academic coach from Alamo College, and today we're going to go over how to get started with Coursera. So you'll go and navigate to your email and then find the email that says how to get started with Coursera, and you'll click the Get Started button. Once you've clicked the Get Started button, it's going to navigate you to the home page. You'll see that I'm already logged in, but I'll log out here and I'll redo this for you guys correctly. So you'll click the Get Started button, and it'll bring you to the Coursera homepage. From here, you want to find the login button. You click the login button, and it'll give you the option to enter your email and password that you've already set up with Alamo College, or you can use the email, your Gmail account, a Facebook account, or Apple. However you signed up, you can do that. I'm going to go ahead and use my Gmail account. You'll select your Gmail account, and it'll log you in and take you to your student account or your student dashboard. And once here, you can actually see all the courses or how many courses that you have in progress and any recent activity that you've taken. And so the course that I have going on here is the Introduction to Cybersecurity Tools and Cyber Attacks. And you can actually get the preview by clicking the preview button. Once you click that preview button, it's going to take you to the profile or preview for this course. And here you'll be able to see your weekly goals. You'll also be able to see the introduction to the course. You'll be able to start the course. You'll be able to see the instructor's note for the course. And then you'll also be able to see a quick synopsis or a bit of a syllabus, if you will, of the overview of the courses. So, what's the content looking like, quizzes, videos, readings, practice exercises, how long it's going to take to complete each of those tasks, and where about we're looking for you to be on those tasks as far as completion. So, week 4, week 3, week 2, week 1, and so on. And this is just a great way and great tool for you to see what your progress is, where you should be, and if you wanted to go ahead and get further along, if you finished week 1 before week 1 is over, you can go ahead and do that. You can also see your grades. You can take notes, discussion forums. Any messages that you receive will come to your message box. And then there's some more course information. And that is just a quick synopsis of how you get started with your Coursera.